Hello new users of ZBrush. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to introduce a free course that you can take that will get you up to speed on using ZBrush. So I know it can be a little bit hard navigating around and understanding the core principles of ZBrush itself, but I cover those in a course that I created. So I really suggest that you take this course. If you want to take other courses of mine, this is a great primer because this course has been set up to work with my courses. So it covers everything you need to know to start any of the courses that I have created. So hopefully I'll see you there. I'll just show you the website so you know where to go, and if you look in the description you'll also see a link taking you straight to the free course that I've done for beginners on ZBrush. So here is my website, mojomojo.design, and in here you can find a lot of my courses, but down here you can find the Pure Basics free ZBrush course. So if you click that link there, then you'll find that it will take you to the page that gives you an outline with a little tutorial on the basics for beginners, and you can enroll on the actual course there. As I said, it's free. It's going to remain free because I've done this so that I don't have to repeat any of the beginner basics for my courses. You'll also find this same page under Mojo Mojo courses, free courses. Okay, so if you click that link there, you'll go through to my actual learning platform where you can enroll in the course. As I said before, it's free and we cover a lot. So it's course introduction, ZBrush, system requirements, navigation, setup, initialization settings, the move, scale, rotate, basics on brushes, basics on subdivisions and dynamesh, masking, symmetry and poly grouping, lighting and material, quick full pipeline tutorial. So we do a little tutorial at the end where we cover all of the stuff that we've already learned, and links to my courses and coupons to the other sort of courses as well. So I've got courses on Udemy as well as my own LMS learning platform, which is this one here, but I've also got courses on Udemy and you can find all those. And if you go back to my actual website, you'll find quite a few of my courses on here, not all of them, but quite a few of them. So if you look down here and go into here, you'll find my premium courses on my platform and all of my Udemy courses. Well, not all of them, but some of the highlighted, picked out courses, and all of these. There's also courses on Maya as well. So there's quite a lot. And also make sure that you sign up on my site if you want to, because I've got lots of blog posts on stuff as well that could be of interest to you. So to subscribe, you can just subscribe down here, or you can make sure that you subscribe on YouTube as well so you don't miss out. So there we go, and you've got my Facebook group, my Twitter group and my YouTube channel. Okay, hopefully see you in the course.